Welcome back. Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for Today. Before we start, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you. Today's topic is about Pixma TS9120 Gray Wireless. We're gonna explore it as always and see what it's good for. The premium home printer that has it all. So with introducing this one home printer, it's designed to deliver exceptional results and look great with its multiple color options. The printer can handle everything from homework assignments, shopping links, invitations, concert tickets to stunning family photos. Achieve photo lab results thanks to the 6-color imageable ink system with a photo blowing for reduced grayness. And you can even add creative filters to your photo with a 5.0 LCD touchscreen. With all the devices we have today, printers need to be connected, and the TS9120 doesn't disappoint. With Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Ethernet, and cloud capabilities, you can print anything you want from that device. Also, for those who want to get the most out of their printer, you have to meet here. This is like the best printer. You have a front and rear paper fitting. It has a touch screen. It has an AirPrint. It has Prima. It has Google Cloud Print Ready. It has a Canon Print app, creative filters. It's 100% US-based service and support. Bluetooth, auto-expanded tray, Wi-Fi certified. 6 individual links, which is really impressive. Fine arts paper, memory card, Ethernet, auto 2-sided print, auto power on and off, and Energy Star. Now, let's talk about the ability of a stunning print quality. It will inspire your creativity with the prints that are impressing everyone. It's from stunning photographs to detailed documents. You can put the 6-color imageable ink system to the work and never compromise on the speed or quality. So you will get this with the speed that you will get like a one with 3-color ink system or like a 2-color ink system. But the speed is like that. The quality is much more better. It's really specific. It just seems like you wrote it yourself, or like the pictures. It seems like it has been the same picture that is on the internet, or like the printer or what you made. So it's the exact same thing, and it's impressive because how good it prints out. Enhanced connectivity. So you can enjoy simplicity of connecting your phone, tablet, favorite devices with ease. You can print hassle-free, whether from cloud, Bluetooth, social media, or even to go. So you can connect it and then say print this picture. Connect your phone, your laptop, and say print this picture. So let's say you had taken a family photo with your phone and you want to print it, so you just connect your phone to the printer and ask it to print that specific picture for you. Stylish compact. The Pixma TS9120 wireless printer is all-in-one that fits perfectly anywhere in the home and looks great with any decor, thanks to its 2-tone design and multiple color options. So anywhere you put it, it's gonna look good. It's gonna look stylish. It's already stylish itself. It has a convenience built in. So with intuitive features like the 5.0 LCD touchscreen, its enhanced user interface, Bluetooth printing, document removal, reminder, and auto expandable output tray, it's just clear to see why the Pixma TS9120 makes printing a breeze, because it has a Bluetooth printing, memory card install, document removal reminder, auto expandable tray. So what else would you need? It has everything for you to make your life a lot more easier. You can do Bluetooth, you can put a memory card, it reminds you to remove your document, and it also has auto expandable tray. with a versatile paper support, so with the front and rear paper feeding ability, and with the pretty stunning photos with the 6 individual ink system, including the photo blue ink tank. It also has a Canon printer, which is conventionally print from and to scan your favorite mobile devices. With the built-in creative filters, add great looking effects to your image before and after you print them. So you can put filters on them, and then image control with an effortless. It has user's interface and 5.0 LCD touchscreen. Bluetooth allows you to print and scan right from your smartphone or tablet. And the Pixma TS9120 is always ready to print because it has an auto expandable output tray. Also, you can print it from any room in the house with a seamless Wi-Fi. In the package that will come for you, in the printer that will come for you, you'll get the Pixma TS9120 wireless inkjet all-in-one printer, CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc printing tray, 4.6 photo paper sample pack, free sheets, BB301, set of CD-ROM, full set of standard ink tanks, and a power cord. These are just images for like a little review, so it will do stunning images. It has the ability for Bluetooth, memory card, Wi-Fi. It's gonna look stylish no matter where it is, and you can connect it with Bluetooth. Before we go, please make sure to check out this Amazon link. You never know, you might end up buying your own. Also, it's always nice to have more information about these kinds of stuff, so with checking out this Amazon link, you'll be able to get more information. If you didn't catch this right now, no worries at all. The link is also in the description box below, so you can always go and click on it. Make sure to check it out. Here at our site, use www.lucycanon.com. We give them credit for this presentation and a full credit for the YouTube channel for the clip that's going to come after this, a full credit to their YouTube channel and their website. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please make sure to go and check our other videos. Hope you have a wonderful day, and now let's go and watch that little clip, shall we?